Good day, my name is Jeff Lim. I'm the president of Portable Intelligence. I'm here today with Bruce McGee, Director of IT for Paradigm Electronics, Martin Logan, makers of home audio systems. Bruce, thanks for having us today.
Hey, Jeff. Thanks. So we are a manufacturer of home audio systems, which include high-end speakers, amplifiers, receivers, and we use Infor's visual manufacturing as our ERP system. So we're in a typical SQL environment and running the latest version of Portable Intelligence for our warehouse operations.
RF Plus.
RF Plus.
So Bruce, before we came on the scene, what sort of challenges were you having with respect to your material tracking processes?
First of all, I think sales had a real challenge in believing or confidently accepting our promises on what we could deliver on time, usually due to material shortages or perceived material shortages when we couldn't find product. Some of the other issues were material handlers. We were always relying on their memory as to where they left product, and it wasn't always the easiest to go find. We've reduced the amount of purchase labor our buyers have to go through to hurry up and buy things that we've already lost somewhere else. Our facility is about 250,000 square feet, and so to actually rethink how to lay out our facility to be most efficient, that was a big challenge. And the team at Portable Intelligence really helped work with our internal team to really come out with the best solution to help us evolve the business. And in the past 10 years, we've learned to really start barcoding more, barcoding our locations, barcoding product inbound. We have a much more efficient system with better trained employees.
Right. Okay, good. How has the product helped the company grow? Paradigm's grown significant since we first met, right? And what was its role in helping that growth?
It's been quite a journey. So I think one of the best benefits that really have helped is the fact that we can do more with the same amount of people, or every once in a while with a little bit less, or we've been able to redistribute tasks to be more efficient in terms of actually moving our product rather than going and finding our product.
Right, great. And back to the inventory accuracy question, where is it now?
I think our inventory accuracy is probably greater than 95 to 98%.
Right.
It really has improved over the years.
So I guess the good news is there's no surprises when it comes to scheduling production or scheduling or taking orders from your customers.
There are very, very few surprises these days.
Excellent, good. So Bruce, for anybody beginning this journey of putting in a warehouse management system, what sort of tips would you be able to share with them?
I would say, first of all, you actually need a team that really wants change. I think our own journey really evolved over 10 years, and it's still ongoing, and to the better. So we actually started off back in the day with doing a full inventory to understand where our products were. We introduced the shipping and receiving portions, eventually to the material handling portions of the business. The lessons learned, I would say, is we really had to train our people to transact every product and get away from bad practices.
And reduce their reliance on paper, too.
Absolutely. And that's ongoing. So there's always one more piece of paper out there that we need to take away.
Excellent. Good. And going forward, what sort of plans do you have in the future with the system?
Well, we're doing a lot of good work with your team, internal, and we're working on some prioritization of our picking in order to meet very tight deadlines and real-time dashboards on our shipping floor so that people know what they have to do and when they have to do it.
Well, Thank you for your time today, Bruce, and to the folks out there, good luck and happy counting.